And welcome back to my channel. I'm Liz of Chicago Law Luxury Makeup. Today we are going to be doing a first impression unboxing of a brand new makeup line to me. This makeup line has been around for just a little bit, but I've never tried any of their products, and this is my first purchase of the brand, and it just came in the mail today. So I was expecting to do a different video today. I thought that this wasn't coming until Monday, and I got a notification that it was here. So here we are. So let's get unboxing. All right, so this is what I got. It is from Westman Atelier, and I didn't purchase that much really. I don't love cream products. I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't like them. I've got a few and I don't reach for them very often. And it's because I don't like that tacky, sticky feeling. I don't think that these are going to give me that tacky, sticky feeling that on my cheeks. So we are gonna try. So I purchased 3 things. The first thing that I purchased was the brand new blush shade. So this is the Baby Cheeks blush stick, and it's in shade Bichette. So this is literally a first impression unboxing and try on. This is the packaging. It's gray. I like it. Ooh. And then this is the shade. As soon as I saw this released, I was like, that is a color I would wear. So that's the blush. I'm really excited to try this. And I love the magnetic closure, and then it comes with a little pouch to keep it in. So that's cute. All right, the next thing that I got was a Face Trace contour stick. There were 2 of these. I didn't know which color to get, and I still don't know which one I got. I got Biscuit. I don't know if Biscuit was the lighter or the darker of the 2 shades. So we will see. They looked almost the same. I could have gotten both, actually, either. So that is Biscuit. Let's swatch this. It's kind of cool toned. Maybe I should have gotten the other one. We'll see. I don't have any bronzer on today, so we're gonna put all this on, see how it feels. I don't know. It'll be interesting. The last thing that I got was a super loaded tinted highlight, and this is in shade Peau de Pêche. So this one already comes in a cute little leather pouch. And then here's the container. And you open it. There's a nice mirror, and then there's the highlight. This is beautiful. I mean, that is really, really pretty. Really pretty. It feels really nice. So that's, I guess it's I don't know. It doesn't look very shiny. It says highlight, but it seems pretty matte to me. Maybe I put too much. Maybe once I apply it, it'll look different. But, all right, there it is. That is the highlight that I got. So I have makeup on. I just don't have my face makeup on. So I thought we would do that together. Now, like I said, this is a brand that is brand new to me. I've never tried it, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing. So this is a first impression video. Don't take this as a video of I know what I'm doing, because I don't. Typically when I do cream products, I apply my cream products that I do have underneath powder, but all of these would kind of go over powder. So I'm going to powder my face just a little bit. And to do that today, I'm going to use the Chanel Natural Finish Loose Powder. And I'm in shade, I use shade 30 Natural. All right. We're just going to put just a little bit of powder on, not even a lot, like less than I normally do. And I'm going to use my La Mer powder brush. All right, that's it. I'm excited to try this, but I just don't want to mess it up because I've never used it before. So we're going to start with the contour stick. We'll use that as like a bronzer. And I'm just going to use it as a bronzer today and not put it anywhere else where I would normally contour. To blend it out, I'm going to use my Bobbi Brown full coverage face brush. This is what I use to buff out my Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate contour. So we're just going to use that. Maybe I should have gotten the darker shade because it doesn't really, it blends down almost to the point where you can't see it on me. All right, well, I'll try and build it up and see what happens. I feel like I probably should have gotten the other color. Maybe it would have been a little bit more warmer. So I'm just buffing in like circles, trying to blend it in. And it does blend down nicely. It doesn't leave my skin feeling sticky or tacky or any of that. I don't know. Do you guys, can you see? I don't really notice I don't really notice any bronzy. Like any sort of, and maybe it's not. Maybe it's just supposed to be contour and I don't know. So now I'm going to apply some of this highlight. And to do that, I'm going to take the Sonia G Face 2 brush and just kind of pick up a little bit and then tap it in. So it does, I do see the shine on my face, more so than when I swatched it on my hand, so that's good. I'm happy about that. And it also blends down. My face doesn't feel tacky at all. That gives a really beautiful sheen. I can see it reflecting off of my cheeks. I like that a lot. So this is really pretty. I don't know about that contour stick. I think maybe I was expecting it to be just like a bronzer, like a cream bronzer, and really warm up my cheeks, and it didn't do that. I don't think my cheeks look bad. I just was expecting something else. So now we will move on to this beautiful new blush. And I'm going to take a Rephr number 4. And to do that, I'm going to take the brush directly onto the blush. It looks pretty pigmented, and I don't want to, I didn't want to just apply all that pigment to the face. So yeah, that's really pretty. A little flush, little rosy cheeks. I like it. I'm very interested in trying other colors of these blushes, and maybe in picking up another. They have a new one of these. I think it's called like It's like the rose one. So I'm very interested in that as well. All right, so I think that I like it. I really do. I think it gives a really nice flush of color, like to my cheeks, which I think is really, really nice. All right, so I'm gonna go put on some lips and then I'll be back. All right, so that is today's look. I am really, really excited that I finally got these products. I have been looking at them for months, and I asked you guys over on Instagram which brand you would like to see me try next between Westman, Atelier, and Suku, and it was pretty much 50-50 as to each brand. And these Suku new releases like sold out so quickly that, and I was like, okay, well, that's a sign. I will wait on Suku and I will pick up the Westman Atelier because I could get it quicker. So that's what I did, and I'm really, really happy that I did. I'm very interested in picking up more of her products. She has foundation sticks that I'm interested in trying, and I want to pick up some more blushes, and I think probably the other highlighter. She has highlighter sticks like this, but I have heard that they are a little tacky and a little sticky on your face, and so I think I'm going to pass on those. The eyeshadow little pods are not very pigmented, so I think I'm going to pass on those as well, but I am very interested in getting more blushes and the foundation. So yeah, I am really excited. I'm very happy with the way my cheeks look. I still don't know about this contour. I don't know if I really did just get the wrong shade and I should have gotten a darker shade. I don't know. I'll have to read some more on that because I don't know. I can't really see. It didn't show up very well on my skin. So it could be that I just got the wrong shade. So I'm going to look into that. But overall, I'm really, really happy. I'm really happy with the way my cheeks turned out. So thank you guys again, like I said, for watching. I really appreciate it. If you have not already subscribed to my channel, I encourage you to subscribe and hit that notification bell. I hope everyone has a wonderful rest of their day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.